We'll show you how to redeem gift cards online using the Doordash app completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up the Doordash application on your smartphone device. Click Me on the bottom right hand screen next to the Browse option. And then click the third setting which says Settings. Scroll down until you see the option Gift Card and go to the top right hand screen and click Redeem. As you can see, if you type in right here, enter gift card PIN, you can enter the PIN of the gift card according to your will and desire and click Redeem your account. Assuming you want to validate another PIN for the Doordash application, type in your PIN or VIN number and click Redeem your account completely for free.